iTracking, a simple, safe, and inexpensive system for pinpointing I&I down to a pair of adjoining manholes. Since most wastewater collection systems are made up primarily of 8, 10, and 12-inch pipes, and hundreds of sanitary sewer evaluation studies have proven that 80% of all I&I resides in just 20% of the collection network, the key to a successful I&I study depends on being able to isolate the 20% of the system responsible for 80% of the problem. This is exactly what iTracking was engineered to accomplish. The capability to independently assess I&I within microsegments of the collection network is what sets iTracking apart from portable Doppler flow meters and conventional level-based sensors. Here's how it works. Smart iTracker sensors are quickly installed in manholes selected for I&I evaluation. Weighing only 2 pounds and not requiring confined space entry for installation, these smart sensors are not only Wi-Fi or cellular enabled, but are also maintenance-free. Following installation, sensor calibration is completed in under 10 minutes using any Wi-Fi enabled smart device. Once calibrated, the iTrackers will begin monitoring and logging collection system performance based on user-selected time intervals. Immediately following a major rain event, logged performance data is conveniently retrieved and stored using any Wi-Fi enabled device. The stored data is then wirelessly transferred to a PC running the iTracking analytical software. With the simple click of a button, bar graphs, pie charts, and line graphs are automatically generated, displaying the individual performance of each manhole segment being monitored under both dry and wet weather conditions. At a glance, easy-to-interpret graphs clearly display contributions of rain-derived I&I, groundwater infiltration, and total volumes of I&I, making it simple for users to quickly determine which mini-basin are responsible for contributing the highest volumes of I&I. Now that the mini-basins responsible for the highest contributions of I&I have been located, the iTracker sensors are repositioned to create a series of micro-basins within the highest contributing mini-basins in order to further pinpoint the sources of I&I down to just a few manholes. Identical to the procedure employed while investigating mini-basins, immediately following a major rain event, data is wirelessly collected from each manhole and then transferred to the iTracking analytical software for evaluation. With the click of a button, iTracking software auto analytics highlight the micro-basin segments responsible for the greatest volumes of I&I. Having now isolated the micro-basin segment responsible for the highest contributions of I&I, CCTV inspection is performed to visually determine the exact cause of the problem. iTracking I&I micro-detection is as simple as that. After just a couple of major rain events, not only will it pinpoint I&I down to a few manholes, it additionally addresses the high costs of labor and hardware normally associated with the detection of I&I. It eliminates the safety concerns related to confined space entry and in-the-road data retrieval, and puts an end to the ongoing expense of sensor maintenance. iTracking is the only system that has the ability to pinpoint I&I down to a set of adjacent manholes. For additional information as to how we can partner together to simply, safely, and inexpensively locate your I&I, please visit smartwastewater.com and contact your local iTracking sales representative listed on our homepage under Support.